Ano yun, salary deduction every time na
Katama eh.
babawasan. Pero kung
Katama kay Jordan eh.
Yeah, it's not like giving
spread
up.
out the whole year
Yeah.
yun.
I wanna ask that.
Hindi niya binanggit yung pangalan.
I have one day
Pero alam mo
off, That's what
si
I have.
Jordan yun.
a day off and some hours.
Limutan ko kung
And I was like, that's crazy. But the thing is, Melissa was like, I told her that I only have 25, right? And she was like, how do you only have 25 when I got off orientation and it's much less than mine? I ended up with 50 hours. And I was like, how?
Gusto naman yung nagkalma sila ngayon sa Lakers. Para mabubuisit sa Lakers. Parang ganun something eh.
But my orientation,
Advantage
my
kay
length of
Lebron
orientation
yung
right now,
pagkakawala
I've
kay-
surpassed her orientation.
Hindi pa lalo na kay Lebron. Kasi kung
No, when she got off
madadala yung
orientation,
Lebron yun kahit hanggang
she had 50 hours already. That's what I'm saying. But I still have orientation.
madala mo yung team sa kahit sa seven.
Two.
Eh lalo na
How
kung
much is,
madala mo pa ng finals yun.
Oo.
she had for 16
Mas,
years.
ano ka na, ano na si George, yung kanyang longevity.
Oh no, no.
Parang,
Yeah, she had it for 16 years.
Sa edad niya pa. no?
sa edad
Maybe
mo,
even less than that.
That's
Or
true.
was it 8 weeks?
Wow.
Probably, I think it's 8 weeks. She got off
kasi in
orientation
fairness, kung
in March.
titignan mo yung edad
She
talaga
started
niya.
December, January, February, March. She's
Meron
Yeah,
pa
so
rin
3
siya.
months. She was 3
Sumasalaksak.
months.
Hindi lang
That's
ganun
why.
katulad ng dati. Pero he still does
So, but
it.
I've already reached I'm reaching my 5th. So that's what I was
Mas-
asking her. She goes,
Ano,
I
dahil
learned that you get,
nung araw, hindi niya ginagawa
every
yung
hour
nung araw kasi ang
you
sagasa niya lumilipad eh.
Oo.
Ngayon, babalikating ka niya.
Papaalisin ko muna.
Babalikating ka muna. Pag-aralan mo ng mabuti. Pagbalikat. Ang hirap nga talaga eh. Oo, iisipin. Ganun.
Baka si dati nanonood.
with your orientation time. So how come I have
Gumagawa lang mo siya ng patrimonio ay nanunuwag. Binasang nasa may patrimonio ay laro yung nanunuwag.
Forma siya kasi nakaganyan lagi.
And even after a year,
Talaga,
you don't
natago pa yung bola.
You don't
Yeah.
up with your, no, with your wage. After a year, you don't go up a weight with your wage. I thought you as the more experience you get, you bump up like at least a couple cents a year.
Ano yan? Paliitan. Yung wallet. Tinato ng wallet.
Bakit?
That's what
Balita.
I was confused about. I
Yeah.
thought you already knew it, and I was like,
Yung wallet ko eh.
Binabawasan mo ito.
Ha?
Kung muna yung importante ko sabi, lisensya mo, tsaka konting guerrero ko, that's it. That's matter.
Kasi yung kapal, yung malaki, pag nasa put ko, parang naiisa na ano ako pag nagmamaneho.
Yeah, okay.
I'm like, you're not
Hindi ako nilalagay
interested.
dito.
How are you paying your bills?
Kaya masaya ako ngayon dito.
Like, I don't understand right now. Like, I only have one right now, and I need to know that. Like, paying this, plus their phone bill, the house, the kids. How are you making this money? Like seriously. I don't
Don't they
know.
overtime?
Huh?
Don't they overtime?
At saka may mga asawa sila, di ba?
Oh, yeah, right. We always forget there's people that